If you need help saying your Y sound or yeah, that's okay. Check out my video before we get started, then come back and we'll practice. So we're going to be working on sentences with Y as the first sound you hear in one of the words of our sentence. Just repeat after me. I love my yellow duck. I have one ball of yarn. Their yacht is fancy. That was a big yawn. She yells very loudly. You have a beautiful yard. We only need the yolk. I'll have a yam. I love New York. Okay, now we'll be practicing with the Y sound in the middle of one of the words of our sentence. It's not as common, so there aren't as many. We have a new kayak. He is a criminal lawyer. This is the royal crown. I have a toy yo-yo. We won't be practicing the Y sound because though you see a Y at the end of a word, it doesn't say yeah. Okay, that means you're done. Way to go, you! Keep up the good work and keep practicing. I'll see you soon.